Ever wondered why people rave about walking barefoot? It's not just a trend, there are actual science-backed health benefits to ditching your shoes. Today, we're counting down the 7 most incredible health benefits of walking barefoot. From boosting your mood to improving your health, these benefits will make you want to kick off your shoes immediately. And stick around, because at the end, there's a surprising bonus tip that'll take your barefoot game to the next level. Let's dive right into the first benefit: reducing inflammation. Walking barefoot, especially on grass or sand, lets you absorb negative electrons from the Earth's surface. This process, called grounding, has been shown to reduce inflammation in your body. These negative electrons act like antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals that cause inflammation. So, if you're dealing with joint pain, muscle aches, or even chronic issues, just a few minutes of grounding could help ease it. Cool, right? Tip: try walking barefoot for 15 to 20 minutes a day to feel the anti-inflammatory effects. Benefit number 2, better sleep. Yep, walking barefoot can actually improve your sleep. How? Grounding helps regulate your body's natural circadian rhythm. Our bodies rely on external signals like sunlight and physical contact with the earth to keep our sleep-wake cycles in sync. Grounding before bedtime, even if it's a quick barefoot stroll around the yard, may help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed. Bonus: try grounding in the evening to wind down for bed. Benefit number 3, a stronger immune system. That's right. When you walk barefoot, your body gets exposed to natural bacteria, dirt, and even small particles that can help train your immune system to become more resilient. Studies suggest that grounding may boost the immune response, helping your body fend off common illnesses. So, next time you're outside, think of it as a natural workout for your immune system. Pro tip: start with a few minutes daily to build up resilience. Alright, benefit number 4 is a big one. It boosts your mood and reduces stress. Walking barefoot connects you directly with the earth, which can help reduce stress hormones like cortisol. Think about it. When was the last time you walked on a beach or a grassy field without feeling a wave of calm? There's science behind that feeling. Grounding lowers stress and boosts feel-good hormones like serotonin. Need a quick mood boost? Take a barefoot walk in nature. Now here's a surprising benefit: better balance and posture. Shoes can restrict the natural movements of your feet and weaken the muscles responsible for stability. But walking barefoot strengthens those muscles, improving your overall balance. Barefoot walking activates those tiny muscles that help you balance, giving you a stronger, more natural posture. And this doesn't just help your feet, it benefits your whole body. Try walking barefoot for improved balance. Benefit number 6, it reduces pain and lowers the risk of injury. When you walk barefoot, you naturally adjust your gait and posture, which helps distribute pressure evenly across your feet and joints. Your body instinctively moves in a way that minimizes stress on your knees, hips, and spine, reducing the risk of injuries. For people who suffer from joint pain or lower back pain, this could be a game changer. Try grounding to feel aligned and reduce pain. And for the grand finale, benefit number 7, boosting circulation. Walking barefoot encourages blood flow through your feet and legs, helping nourish those areas and improve circulation. Better circulation means your body gets more oxygen, which can lead to higher energy levels, better focus, and an overall boost in health. So, just a few minutes barefoot could leave you feeling more alive. And here's that bonus tip I promised. If you want to supercharge your grounding experience, try walking barefoot in water, like along a riverbed or shoreline. Water conducts Earth's energy even better than dry ground, so you'll get an intensified grounding experience. Just remember to be careful of sharp rocks or other hazards. But if you have a safe spot, this could be the ultimate way to reap all those grounding benefits. So there you have it, 7 amazing reasons to start walking barefoot plus an awesome bonus tip. If you're excited to kick off your shoes and start reaping these benefits, let us know in the comments below. And check out our other video on foods to avoid for a flat belly. You won't believe how easy it is to make some healthy changes.